Hi and welcome to this construction video. In this video we are going to construct a square that is inscribed in a circle, and to do that we are going to use the diagonals of a square. So I'm going to create a line that is going to serve as one of the diagonals. Now, not the whole line, just a segment of the line. So I'm going to put a point on that line, and that point is going to be the center of my circle. Now I know in a square, the diagonals have to be congruent and perpendicular. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my circle, okay? So this is going to be the circle that my square is inscribed in. And what I'm going to do is I am going to actually create a line that's perpendicular to this segment, which is one of the diagonals, that goes this way, and those are going to be the two diagonals of my square. So in order to create a perpendicular, these are going to be two of the vertices of my square because those are endpoints of my diagonal. What I need to do is I need to create a perpendicular. So if you remember, when we want to create a perpendicular bisector of a segment, which is going to go through that center point, we need to put our compass point on one end and open our compass so it's slightly larger than half of the segment. We're going to create an arc above and below our center. We're going to go to our other endpoint and create an arc above and below. Now these 2 points are going to lie on the perpendicular bisector of our segment, as does this point. So if we do that, we have now created a perpendicular through the center of our circle. Now, in a square, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other and congruent to each other. This segment, I'm going to call it AB, is congruent and perpendicular to this segment, I'm going to call it CD. Therefore, those two segments can serve as the diagonals of our square, and if we connect the points C to B, A to D, D to B, and A to C, what we have now is square ADBC, which is inscribed in our circle, and we'll call that circle O. All right, so knowing the properties of quadrilaterals can help you construct certain things by using those properties. I hope this construction made sense. Remember, the more you construct, the better you're going to get. Thank you for watching.